Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's see how you can use percentage and percent of in Power Query, Power BI. So let me just take you to Power BI. So here we'll get that again. We'll choose number functions, then open. So I'm using the same data that we used on our previous video. Then I'll click transform. So from here, what I will do, I will do away with the other columns. So we'll put the column and we'll take the price, the selling price column. So I will select the selling price column, then right click. I will choose this one, remove other columns. So we only have the selling price. So now we want to see how we can use percent, rather the percentage and percent of. So again, I will click on this column, then I will go to number. Rather, I will go to number function, then I will click as standard. Then now we want to use percentage. So when I click percentage here, there will be a window that I need to put the value of the percentage. So let's say you want to know maybe the 20% of the selling price. What is 20% of selling price? So let's say maybe you want to give 15% of selling price as a discount. So how do we apply that? So we will come down here and give the value of 15. Remember, we started from here. We selected this column, and within the number functions, we choose standard. Rather, we click on this icon from standard. Then we have a drop-down menu. Then we'll come down here to percentage. Then when you click percentage, this window will be given. Then you'll now write a number. It can be 10%, 5%, 15%, whichever percentage. So let me just write 15%. Then I'll write OK. And so this is what we get from 15% percentage of the selling price. So assuming that we are supposed to get, we're supposed to know the value of the discount. If you were to give a discount of 15% and we want to know what will be the total value of the discount, so we'll just come and use a percentage, following the same procedure that we've applied. And again, we also want to know that when we have, let's say that this is now the quantity, rather this is the 15% of sales. We are assuming that this is 15% of sales. So we want to know what is 100%. Under this column, I'm saying that this is the 15%. Let me just try to duplicate this. Duplicate this column. Duplicate column. So now this one I'm saying it is 15%. 15% sales. So we want to know what is 100% of sales. So what we are supposed to do here, we'll select this column and come to standard. then we'll come and click down there. Rather, we'll choose this option for percentage off. So percentage off, so here we need to write 100 and click OK. Now we need to write percentage of 15. Let me just cancel this step. I'll come and click here, and then rather, let's forget about this 15% sales. Let's assume that this selling price was the one which was 15% sales. So we want to know what is 100% sales. So I'll come here and click select selling price column and click standard, and go down percentage off. Then here we'll write 15. So now you can see we are being given 933.3333. So this is percent. So we are asking what is 10%. I hope you guys are not lost. What I'm saying, this is 15%. We are assuming that this is 15% of sales. So now we are asking what is 100% of sales. So we need to multiply this by 100, then divide by 15%. Instead of doing that manually, we just come to number functions, then click standard. And we'll come down here to write percentage of. So percentage of represent that calculation of getting the 100% from the 15% sales. So I hope, ladies and gentlemen, you've understood, and thanks a lot for watching, and let's meet again in the next video.